Alright, it's good to have you back. So in this video guide, I'll show you how you can view your learner reports, okay, and how accurate it is. So first of all, let's log in from your student account ID, okay, and let's see the course access that you got in the last video, okay. And if you haven't seen the last video, make sure you see that video, because or else this won't make sense, okay. So now that we are inside the course, we can start by viewing the course. Alright, I know the course is about yoga, but it's just a random video that I've chosen. Okay, I'll show you in just 1 second why I am letting it play and waiting for it. Okay, now this is complete and I will move to the next session. And let's also view one PDF lesson. Okay, I'll just fast forward it so that I don't waste your time. Now that we have completed around 9% of the course, let's see our learner analytics in the admin dashboard. Okay, we are back in the dashboard. From dashboard, you need to go to reports, and here in reports, you can see progress and scores. Go to course progress, click on the course, and as you can see, my progress is 10%, and it also shows what kind of enrollment was I, also the enrollment date and the expiry date. The other metrics or reports that you can get is you can move to sales and marketing, you can move to sales, and here you can see the course and all the learners that have bought your course. This is me as a student, and the coupon amount, everything you can see. All right, hope that was helpful for you, and in this way you can find out a lot about your students, whether they are understanding or finding your courses engaging and how much they've paid, and you can cater your courses in a better way for them. Thank you.